Milestone Mafia.
Have you heard the good news?
3,000 subs? Really? That's how y'all feeling? All right, I got something for y'all. Come with me.
Bitches.
All right, great day, Milestone Mafia. Welcome back to Things and Stuff. I'm your host, Ja.
I mean, he's the kind of guy who walks into a room, his dick has already been there for 2 minutes.
And as always, super humble for every pair of eyes watching and every pair of ears listening. And today, it's clearly a special video. New spot, who this? But not only are we debuting my sneaker room, aka the Reservoir, but we doing it with a special collab. And as you can see from the thumbnail and description, we talking about none other than the Supreme Times Nike SB High Rammellzee, which released on August 31st and sold out within minutes. Now they also had a low top version, which sold out in less time than that. You know, I thought Supreme was dead.
Any rumors of my brush with death are greatly exaggerated. Is that clear?
Now I tried to get both pairs, but the High was definitely my priority because in my personal opinion, it is the doper of the two, and I'm super happy to bring them home. All right, so what's up with this collab? Now, Rammellzee was a artist slash performer slash sculptor slash MC slash street performer. I mean, Renaissance man doesn't really give him an accurate description. He was way past that. And if you ever heard this dude speak during an interview,
I'm one of the Gothic futurists in the Alpha's Bet. I'm some 16 billion years old. The particular person I'm acting out right now has a theorem that if he can boomerang through time, he can make sure that a sledgehammer causes a cosmic flush.
your first question would be like, yo, what the f is you talking about, bro? Now, his artwork, so eclectic. I mean, every time you look at it, you're gonna see something different. You're gonna catch a different feeling, a different inspiration. And I guess at the end of the day, that's really what art is supposed to be about, right? Now, Supreme did an outstanding job with this collaboration, really bringing out that aspect of his work. And you know what, man, let's not even waste any more time. Let's go ahead and get up into it. Comes in that Nike sale box with the glossy finish. Official tag reads Nike SB Dunk High OG QS. White, multicolor. Supreme and Nike code branding on the tissue paper. I hope y'all can see that. And here you have them. SB Dunk High Rammellzees. First impression about the box. Whoa. Yeah, these is wild, man. Let's go ahead and get into them. Got the premium suede around the toe box, up through the eye stays, and on the swoosh. Gold Supreme box logo type lace dubre, some white laces, additional set of black fluorescent white Nike SB tag, white midsole, gum bottom. Also the Supreme branded insoles. Obviously I'm saving the best feature for last.
But of course.
Both the left and right shoe displaying different pieces from Rammellzee, and if we were to go through all of them, we'd be here for about an hour. One thing I will say is pretty dope is that the material here is on canvas, and we're talking about an artwork, so you know what I'm saying, Supreme, I definitely see what you did there. And we got a world famous Supreme hang tag just to round our portfolio. Y'all, go ahead and talk y'all shit, man. Y'all did y'all thing on this one. Drip forecast for these, you talking about deep sea diving. Right here, you know, you're gonna be surrounded by water and it's gonna be extreme pressure. To me, this sneaker really represents and captures that originality, creativity. You know, it's really an intersection of the emotional creativity of an artist and the self-expressive creativity of, you know, streetwear and street culture.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Definitely a piece, and it won't be long till these touch the ground, believe that. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get up out here like we do. As always, want you to become a friend of mine by liking the video, also leaving a comment down in the description. What you think about the sneakers? Did you get them? Did you not? What you think about the Reservoir? Tell me what your thoughts are on that. And don't forget, equally if not more important, if you have reached any other milestones in between the last video and this one, go ahead and sound off in that comment section as well, and let us celebrate your win with you. If the feeling moves you, go ahead and become a friend of ours by subscribing and hitting that bell notification so that you know every single time the Milestone Mafia is in the building with a new one. And other than that, I want y'all to remain blessed, highly favored. I'll stay with 10 fingers and 10 toes, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Yo, you got the juice now, man.
And of course, you know I couldn't possibly be doing these justice in hand. So let's go ahead and do the damn thing.